Hello, Red Wings. I'm up here. Look, see, here I am. I had to move because that right there was making me a little dizzy with it being on my face. Anyway, you have now finished identifying a print source for your IndiInq unit or your topic. You have either checked out a book or you have put a book on hold, and now it is time to move on to our digital resources, okay? So as 5th graders, you are going to click the purple portal. You're going to open LCPS Go, Library Resources, and then Brain Pop, and then click on the link. And this is going to teach you a bit about how to do internet research. Because how many times have you typed in something in your search engine and then got like 17,000 web pages, or 82,000, or 7 million, or whatever? Anyway, the other part of it is you also need to be able to know how to decide what source is reliable and what source isn't reliable. So doing those 2 videos and taking the quiz and showing Miss Lane your quiz score, of course, earns you tokens, but it also gives you the information you need to be able to do that. Oh my gosh, I'm about ready to fall in to the portal. There we go. Oh, that was quite the little trip. Okay, so now we are on to the actual internet search, okay? So you are going to click on the image, and that is going to take you to Kids Search, okay? And I, of course, am doing 3D printing, so I'm typing in. And I have learned a lot about 3D printing, and look at this. There's 443 hits for 3D printing. 443 million hits. I don't think I have time to go through all of those. So I think I want to learn, because I've heard that you can 3D print a house. And I just want to see this, okay? So this right here, this is, there's only 110 million of those. So I'm going to look through and try to find one. Now this is a .com, and we know that's a commercial website. I don't know that I want to do a .com. This one looks really interesting. This is about the 3D printed house companies. Let's see if I can go to videos. Oh, that's a 3D printed TED Talk. That's interesting. Alright, here we go. I want to look at this. Now I'm going to have to decide which one I want to do. Oh, here's Science Channel. Let's look at that. Okay, I want to see that one. So here I am, Science Channel, and look at this. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Ring in the new year with a new way to cook with your new phones and tablets. So delicious. The Food Network Kitchen app. With step-by-step classes and tons of quick and easy recipes.
So I'm going to watch this. You don't have to watch it with me, but I want to show you the next step that you have to do. Okay, so we are going to our KWL chart, and we have to do our bibliography. Now, you will see that under digital sources, I already have 4 other sources, and that's because 4th graders are required to use one of our digital research, like encyclopedias or something like that, through LCPS Go. And so those are the sources that I found from our 4th graders. Using those resources, and you may use our online encyclopedias, you may use Safari Montage, any of those, but you also need to do at least one source that you find using Kids Search, okay? Because I want you to have the experience of doing that kind of search. So for some of you, you only are going to do that because that's what you want to do. For others, you're going to go above and beyond, and you're going to use all resources available. But my source that I'm using right now is my 7th one. It'll be your, 4th or 3rd or something like that. And I need to put down all the information I need. And you see, I kind of have it like, this is our little cheat sheet on what we need to put in there. But on digital sources, sometimes it gets a little bit different. And so I can actually kind of do a little cheat sheet using my citations for my other things. So let me find that video again. That's not it. Where's my video? right there, okay? So I want to see what information. So the name of this is the 3D printer that builds houses, okay? So I'm going to go back to my thing, and I'm going to italicize, which is Control I, because, oh wait, no, I'm sorry, this should be in quotes. The 3D printer that builds houses. Okay, so that's the title of my video. The publisher of my video is right here. I think it's Outrageous Acts of Science. That's the name of a TV show. So it's Discovery. Check that out. So that's a Discovery Communications. So I want to write Outrageous. Helps if I spell it correctly. Acts of Science. And then that's comma, and that's from Discovery. What is it? Let's see, let's go back and look again. Discovery Communications LCC, or LLC, which is the Discovery Channel, which a lot of us watch. And I just forgot what it said. Discovery Communications, okay. There we go. And the next thing I need to know is when was that published? So let's see if we can find a date for this video. We might not. It might. I'm not seeing a date on this. I might have to watch the entire video to do it, and I don't want to waste your time watching my video. Okay. Oh, and I misspelled outrageous. Do you see that? Lucky for me, there's spell check. Okay, so I'm going to skip the date, and I'm just going to put XX so I know I need to come back for that. And then the web address. So the web address for this video is right here. So I'm copying it, I'm going back, and I'm pasting it, which means I'll be able to come back to this later. And then I need to know when I accessed this website. Okay, so space, and I accessed it the 6th of February, 2020, okay? So there's my citation for it. Now when I go up here, I'll just type in 7 and whatever information I learned from that. It's going to be cool. I can't wait to see the 3D print a house. Anyway, okay. So there you go. There's your little hack on how to do internet searches. Don't forget to watch the videos because that really is going to help you with your internet search.